Isn't the biggest hidden cost in your business the sheer time you spend on bookkeeping? Think about it. Manually entering transactions, chasing down receipts, double-checking figures, that's all time you could be dedicating to sales, strategy, or just enjoying a real weekend. If you're already using QuickBooks, you've taken the first step toward efficiency. But are you truly maximizing its potential to get those precious hours back? Today, I'm sharing my 3 favorite QuickBooks features that are absolute game changers for time management. 1. The power of bank feeds and rules. My number 1 time saver is hands down the bank feeds, and more importantly, the automation rules you can create with them. When you connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks, it automatically imports all your transactions. That's the first saving. But the real magic happens when you teach QuickBooks how to categorize them. Instead of manually reviewing and categorizing every transaction from your coffee vendor or your recurring software subscriptions, you create a rule. For example, any transaction greater than $10 from Starbelly Coffee should be automatically categorized as meals and entertainment and marked as reviewed. Once you set up a handful of these rules for your common expenses, you can watch dozens, sometimes hundreds, of transactions categorize themselves in seconds. This turns hours of data entry into a 15-minute weekly review. 2. Automated recurring invoices. If you have clients on monthly or quarterly retainer fees, or if you sell subscriptions, you know how repetitive invoicing can be. Every month you draft, save, and send. Stop doing that. QuickBooks Recurring Invoices feature is a set-it-and-forget-it essential. You set up the first invoice with the specific line items and terms, and then you tell QuickBooks, send this invoice to this customer every 30 days. You can even choose to have the invoice automatically emailed to the client or just saved as an unapproved draft for a quick monthly check. No more worrying if you remembered to bill client X this month. Your cash flow becomes predictable, and your to-do list gets shorter. It's invoicing without the mental load. 3. Receipt capture with the mobile app. How often do you end up with a crumpled stack of paper receipts at the end of the month, dreading the manual entry? The QuickBooks mobile app solves this with receipt capture. As soon as you pay for something, you literally just snap a photo of the receipt with your phone. The app uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to read the receipt, pulling out the date, the vendor name, and the amount. It then creates a corresponding expense entry and even suggests a match to a transaction from your bank feed. You just review, confirm the match, and boom, the expense is logged, the receipt is digitally attached for audit purposes, and you can toss the paper. This keeps your books accurate in real time and makes tax prep painless. These 3 features, smart bank feeds, automated recurring invoices, and mobile receipt capture, are what allow me to keep my business financials clean and current without sacrificing my entire week. Leveraging automation is how you truly make your accounting software an asset, not just another chore. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.